Hi everybody, I'm Kurt or Curtis Duddy. I raced in the Canadian Rally Championship 2022-2023. Finished in second place both those years in two-wheel drive class. So just so you know who I am, where I'm coming from. Today we're going to talk about how much it costs to rally. In this video, I'm going to talk to you strictly about how much it cost me to build my Sentra Spec-V rally car, 2004. How much did I pay for it? $2,000. How much can you buy a rally car for, completely prepared? It depends. Anywhere between 8, which is rare, to 10 to 15 and up. $1,000, obviously. I paid $2,000 and put in all the work myself and with friends. Except what I didn't do is the cage. So here we have, it depends what side I'm going to do this on. So here we have $2,000 for the rally car, and I paid to get a cage installed because I wanted safety to be in the hands of a professional for $6,000, right? Now, cage extras. How much did that cost me? See if you can guess. I'll name them off, okay? Rapid fire. Urethane paint. I had to put a windshield back into it and back glass reinstall. So I went with a new windshield. How much did that cost? $798.75. Stock-ish suspension. So when I started rallying, I decided that I wasn't gonna put $5, $10, $20, $30,000 into a suspension. So I just refurbished a stock suspension, front suspension off Rock Auto, rear suspension was a bit of a trick setup. How much did that cost me? $640.07. New front struts, new rear suspension. Next, maintenance prep. What did I do for maintenance prep? Well, I did a clutch swap, brake pads, idler bearing, pan bolts, gasket maker I had to buy, engine oil, of course, a set of OEM wheels so I could abuse them through the forest, rust paint, parts from a friend I had in my notes. That's probably Martin Lavallée, who brought some parts over, and headlight bulbs. Oh, I'm not done. Thermostats, paint pens, coolant, washer bottle and pump, and hood pins. How much did that cost me? Of course, I put in the labor. Don't forget. That cost me $962.23. We keep adding it up here on the side. Next, to build my rally car, I didn't go rallying yet. Seats and brackets. How much did that cost? 2 seats, sets of brackets, $2,573.14. What else? Harnesses. $525.12. Of course, these are prices. These are all prices from 2020, 2021. Things have gone up since. Safety miscellaneous. There's always shit that needs to be done on the safety side. What did I put in? Spill kit, glass breaker tools, fire extinguishers, kill switch, switches, wiring, safety stickers. How much did that cost? $244.45. Right? Next, what's the last thing that it cost us to build a rally car to go compete in Canadian Rally, although not at the top levels? Reliability mods. Shifter linkage bushings, balancer shaft removal kit, aluminum flat bar so we could set up the dash switches, OBD2 extension wire, clutch cylinder hose joint and collar. We did the bare minimum. Those reliability mods cost us $259.49. Grand total of $14,001.25. That is how much my Sentra rally car cost me. Stay tuned. I'm going to make a series on what it costs to go rallying. I hope you enjoyed this short video. So if you're thinking about rallying, I hope that you can use these calculations to give yourself a ballpark idea. Of course, It depends on how much your parts cost. It depends on the chassis you choose. It all depends, but at least this gives you an idea of what it takes to get started. In a future episode, we can talk about how much my first event costs, how much my driver gear costs, transport costs. We can get into all that. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to touch on. We have all the numbers down to the last decimal point. Take care.